love wigs. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. I do mostly synthetic wig reviews, cheap synthetic wigs, so I'm talking like $30 to $50, none of this $300, $400 wig business. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, just hit the subscribe button below. Every time that you like my video, it helps me reach more people. Today I have my friend Lindsay with me. She's visiting me from Arkansas. This is Lindsay. She has beautiful long, show them your hair. She has beautiful long hair. She doesn't need a wig, but she still dabbles. Sorry about my room. You're seeing it in its natural form, the mess. Today I have a lovely lady to review real quick. We are actually gonna go wine tasting. I know I make fun of it all the time with my wigs and how bougie they look, but this is my first time going wine tasting in a wig. I have Miss Kimani. I know if you're part of the wig culture on YouTube, you've definitely seen Kimani. This is a brand, Outre. So this color is 3D RFF Wheat Blonde. Everyone is trying to get this buttery blonde, including me. That's this lady right here. Impossible to find. It's out of stock everywhere. But Amazon has the wheat blonde. And you see it's almost like their sandstone blonde. A little bit of a dark brown root and then a fade into the light blonde back to dark brown. It comes with a natural side part, but I'm going to try to rock a middle part. We'll see how it goes. The inside, same as all the other Outre wigs. We got 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back, and then your adjustable straps. I'm going to put her on and let you know my further thoughts. All right, before I cut the lace, I want to show you guys just how light it is on my skin. So this is pretty much a transparent lace. If you have a darker skin tone, make sure you darken it. You can use some foundation, or I've seen some girls use the spray to darken it. I'm gonna cut my lace. Okay, lace has been cut. Let's put her on. I'm not gonna wear a wig cap. Y'all know I hate wig caps. So I'm just gonna tuck my braids in. My little pitiful braids. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. Scoots back. Whew. Hang on. Hang on. Houston, is there a problem? Yes. All right. Scoot her back. Scoot her back to the property line. Oh. Yes. All right, I'm already seeing there are some lumps, which I'm not going to worry about because I'm about to try to do a middle part. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love it. The color though. Oh, get this out of my face. The color. All right, so you see what I'm talking about? How it's like this light blonde and then dark and then kind of some highlights all throughout. It is such a pretty color. I'm not getting a whole lot of shine. The ring light here is kind of amplifying that shiny look. In person, it looks great. It actually is not bad as a side part. Let's try center. Now, it does feel like it's big head friendly. The tabs are coming down. Nice. It doesn't feel like it's going to tangle very much. There may be a coating on it. It is kind of a yaki texture. It's like halfway between yaki and silky. So a blend, I believe. As far as shedding, yeah, some shedding. I'd say this is about 20 or so inches. Let me show you the back before I do anything to alter the wig. See the shine? I love this. I got 2 in this color. If you guys find where the buttery blonde, if you find some in stock anywhere, please let me know. I must have it. Well, how do I? Yeah. don't know if the middle part's gonna work out. Because see, you got this, like, I don't really know how to do it. The middle part's not gonna work out. I guess I'm not gonna rock a middle part. At least I'm candid about it. Maybe if I knew what I was doing more with wigs, I could do the middle part. But the side part doesn't look bad. I feel like it ages me because, you know, all these Gen Z folks are talking about how middle parts are so out, and center part, you must have your hair in a center part. So I've just gotten used to the center part life. Side part's not bad. I'll wear it like this. Let's try a hat. I do not think this wig needs a hat, by the way, but I am wearing a leopard print, and y'all know red and leopard print kind of go together. And that's just cute. So all I'm gonna do is hot comb. Well, first of all, I'm gonna get whatever that is out. Wait, what is that? I don't know what that is. I'm gonna get it out, and I'm gonna hot comb this lump because I don't know if you can tell, but it is lumpy. And then I'll be back. Okay, so that works. We've gotten rid of the lump. Let me read you off some more stats about Miss Kimani. Available colors are 1, 1B, 613, DR4 Cream Blonde, DRFF Amber Blonde, DRFF Buttery Blonde, which you can't find anywhere, 3DRFF Ivory Blonde, 3DRFF Sandstone Blonde, and 3DRFF Wheat Blonde. This is the Wheat Blonde. I actually messaged Outre and asked them if they were ever going to restock the Buttery Blonde. I'm not convinced. It's not anywhere. I think they're done making that color, unfortunately. So if y'all find it, let me know. I don't really see anything on here about being heat friendly. Let's see what it says. Okay, exclusive salon design blonde shades, uniquely pre-plucked soft Swiss lace, confirmed. There is the hairline up close and personal. It looks great. And I didn't pluck anything. I haven't glued it down yet either. Natural baby hairs. I don't see anything about heat. But I did hot comb it. I put it on the lowest setting, and I just hot combed this area here to make it lay flat because it was kind of bumpy. And it did fine. It didn't like curl up or anything. So yeah. Oh wait, here we go. Heat resistant fiber. Safe up to 400 degrees. Confirmed. That's all I have for today. We're gonna go enjoy our day in this beautiful weather, sip on some wine, eat some Vietnamese food. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be uploading some more videos, of course, you know, here and there. Make sure you subscribe. Leave me your feedback in the comment section. I read everything and I appreciate all the support. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.